Today we're at the table saw and we're talking miter gauges, and specifically the SawStop Revolution miter gauge. Here's what makes this so unique. So we have this bottom dial here, and as you can see, you can rotate it, and you have different settings here for the actual degree dial. So let's go to free, let's loosen the handle, and as you can tell, when I rotate, you don't hear anything until you get to a preset and it'll snap in there. There you go. Now, if we rotate this to every degree, that's what 1 means. It's going to give you a click every degree. Let's say we go every half, that's every half degree. So it clicks a little bit differently. A quarter of a degree. I mean, we're getting really precise here. And then there's even 1/10 of a degree. Pretty nuts. And as you can see here, we have 0 on both sides, and that's how we know that we are locked in at a perfect 90-degree angle. The stop has a nice little micro adjustment feature where you can use the provided key to tighten and loosen for the desired cut length. And if you own a SawStop, this little guy will look familiar, but this is actually what tightens and loosens your stop block. The stop also articulates, which allows you to put a sacrificial fence behind it, ranging in thicknesses up to 3/4 of an inch. Yet another cool feature is if you loosen this little knob, and again I'm using the key, loosen that up, you can then extend your fence up to 37.5 inches. That's big. Comes with a few of these little dovetail stop pieces, and as you can see, you just slide them into here, and they have some lock screws on them. Tighten down the 2 little set screws, and you're able to turn this little sliding wedge into a repeat cut making machine. For example, oh fudge, I forgot to make 1 cut at 12 1/8. Pop that in the middle and lock it into place, and you can make that cut again. So let's see just how accurate this guy is. We have it set to 45, and we're going to check it with the digital angle finder, and what do you know? Spot on. So in conclusion, is this worth it? Well, if you have the original miter gauge that came with the SawStop, that thing is garbage in comparison to this. And hopefully I gave you some of the main features as to why this will be a huge asset in my shop.